Why are some cultures living longer than others? Could the answer be found on your plate or in your lifestyle? Find out Wednesday, April 11, 2018 at Get Healthy RGV, Health and Wellness Summit in McAllen, Texas. Register online now at bit.ly/GetHealthyRGV. That's bit.ly/GetHealthyRGV. Receive free medical screenings and enjoy healthy, flavorful cooking demos, samples, and more. While you're here, plan to attend the Continuing Medical Education Conference. Hundreds of healthcare professionals, health coaches, chiropractors, and dietitians from across the country will descend upon McAllen, Texas for one day only. CMEC 2018. Get insight from top nutrition and health experts and industry leaders. Network with hundreds of healthcare professionals and earn continuing education credits. Save the date, Wednesday, April 11, 2018. Get Healthy RGV, Health and Wellness Summit, McAllen Convention Center, located at 700 Convention Center Boulevard, McAllen, Texas. Stay informed about the benefits of good nutrition and a healthy lifestyle. Let's change the future of healthcare. Use lifestyle as we add years to life and life to years. Register online now at bit.ly/GetHealthyRGV.